How to buy Audible books with credit. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can buy Audible books with credit. To buy Audible books with credit, the first step is for you to download the Audible application and then sign up to be a member. How do you sign up to be a member? Once you've downloaded the option, the application, and you're on the applications page, you will see the option upgrade, try for free, click on it, join, become a member, and then after becoming a member, you would be given 1 credit as a free trial. All right, so if you now want to buy book with this credit, it is simple. On the home page, just go ahead and select the book that you want, or instead you can just scroll down to the bottom navigation bar and click on the discover icon. By clicking on the discover icon, you'll be taken to another page where you can browse out the books based on their categories. So for me, I would want an historical book. And so after clicking on history, you'll be taken to the histories page, and then you'll see different audiobooks that talks about history. So select the one that you'd like to buy. After selecting it, you'll be brought to the books profiles page, or the books detail page, sorry. And then on this page, you see different options of how you can buy. You can see buy for so amount, and then you can see buy more credits. The reason why it is displaying buy more credits is because I currently do not have any credits. But if you have a credit, you'll see the option buy with 1 credit. You'll see it here, the first option here. So once you can see that, just click on it, and then you'll be asked if you're sure, select it, and then just like that, confirm your purchase, and then your audiobook would be added to your library, and you would also receive an email confirmation. The same applies to any kind of books. All right, just ensure you have a credit, or come to the books detail page, click on buy with credit, and that is it. It is very simple. So go ahead and get as many books as you want with your credits today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.